Hi, here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. By the way, we saved the best tip at the latter part of the video. Now for today's topic. Life throws curveballs. Sometimes you need extra cash fast. A payday alternative loan, or PAL, can help. PALs are short-term loans offered by credit unions. They are designed to be a safer alternative to payday loans. Payday loans often have very high interest rates and fees. This can trap borrowers in a cycle of debt. PALs have lower interest rates and more manageable repayment terms. This makes them a more responsible borrowing option. If you're facing a financial crunch, a PAL could be a lifeline. It's important to understand how PALs work and if you qualify. Not everyone can walk into a credit union and get a PAL. There are some ground rules. First, you need to be a member of the credit union offering the PAL. Credit unions are member-owned financial institutions. They often have membership requirements based on where you live, work, or worship. You'll also need to have had an account with the credit union for a certain amount of time, usually around a month. This shows you're a responsible member. Finally, there might be a limit on how much you can borrow with a PAL, usually around $1,000. Each credit union sets its own rules. Let's talk numbers. When it comes to managing your finances, every dollar counts. Why are PALs better than payday loans? It's all about the terms and the costs involved. Imagine you borrow $500. Seems simple, right? A payday loan might charge $75 in fees for just 2 weeks. That's a hefty price to pay. That's a massive interest rate. It can quickly add up and become unmanageable. With a PAL, you'd pay a much lower fee, maybe $15 for the same amount in period. That's a huge saving and it makes a big difference. Plus, PALs give you more time to repay, usually between 1 to 6 months. This flexibility is crucial. This makes it easier to budget and avoid falling behind on payments. You can plan better and stay on track. Payday loans often lead to a debt spiral. The high fees and short repayment terms can trap you in a cycle of debt. PALs offer a way out, helping you get back on your financial feet. They provide a more sustainable solution. That's what financial health is all about. Making smart choices that lead to a stable and secure future. Section 4. Applying for a PAL. A step-by-step guide. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure you have all the information you need. Ready to apply for a PAL? Let's get started. First, find a credit union that offers them. Not all credit unions provide PALs, so it's important to do your research. You can use the National Credit Union Administration's online locator tool. This tool will help you find the nearest credit union that offers PALs. Once you've found a credit union, become a member. Membership is usually required to apply for a PAL. Gather your personal information, like your social security number and proof of income. Having these documents ready will speed up the process. Next, fill out the PAL application. Make sure to complete all sections accurately. You'll need to explain why you need the loan and how you plan to repay it. Be honest and clear. This will help the credit union understand your situation better. The credit union will review your application and make a decision. They may contact you for additional information. This might take a few days. Be patient and check your email or phone for updates. If approved, you'll receive your funds and start making payments. Make sure to keep track of your payment schedule to avoid any late fees. Section 5. Choosing the right PAL for your needs. Not all PALs are created equal. Credit unions offer different types of PALs with varying terms and conditions. It's like shopping for shoes. Some PALs have lower interest rates, while others offer longer repayment periods. Consider your financial situation and what works best for you. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare PALs from different credit unions. Look for the lowest fees, the most manageable payments, and the best fit. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about PALs, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Section 6. Making PALs work for you. Tips for success. Personal loans, or PALs, can be a great resource when used correctly. Getting a PAL is just the first step in your financial journey. Using it wisely is key to improving your financial well-being and achieving your goals. Here are some essential tips for success with your PAL. First, borrow only what you need. It's important to assess your actual requirements. Don't be tempted to borrow more than you can comfortably repay. Make timely payments to avoid additional charges. Set reminders and prioritize your PAL payments to avoid late fees or penalties. Create a detailed budget to manage your finances effectively. Track your income and expenses meticulously to ensure you can afford the PAL repayments. Seek financial counseling if needed. If you're struggling, many credit unions offer free or low-cost financial counseling services to help you get back on track. Don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, PALs are a tool to help you navigate short-term financial challenges, not a long-term solution. Use them wisely, use them responsibly, and watch your finances thrive. With careful planning and disciplined repayment, you can make the most out of your PAL and secure a brighter financial future. As always, here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. Thank you.